Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In the state of Haryana, candidates should have passed their matriculation examination with Hindi as one of the subject and in Punjab with Punjabi. Full stop. Furthermore, it is provided in both the advertisements that candidates who have not passed matriculation with the language in question as compulsory or elective subject can apply, but they would be required to pass the same within the probation period, if selected, failing which their appointment shall be cancelled. Full stop. Para. It is a matter of record that the mode of selection in both the advertisements in identical and reads as under in both the advertisements. Full stop. Para. The candidates will have to qualify the English shorthand test and its transcription at the speed of 80 WPM and 20 WPM respectively. Full stop. The candidates will also have to qualify a computer proficiency test. Full stop. The Honorable Central Recruitment Committee reserves the right to decide the permissible percentage of mistakes in the transcription of English shorthand test and permissible marks required to qualify the spreadsheet exam depending upon the number of vacancies and number of candidates available. Full stop. It is clarified that said computer proficiency test is mandatory, but the same is of qualifying nature only and its marks or performance will not be counted towards final merit, which will be based only upon the performance in the English shorthand test and its transcription. Full stop. The number of candidates as decided by Honorable Central Recruitment Committee, who qualify the English shorthand test and computer proficiency test, will be called for checking of original testimonials / interaction. Full stop. Para. Thereafter, select list of the qualified candidates will be prepared strictly on the basis of merit in the English shorthand test and its transcription. Full stop. Name of eligible candidates higher in merit would be recommended for appointment as per the candidates have obtained same marks, then the candidate elder in age among the same scores be kept higher in merit. Full stop. As per clause 6 of the advertisement, it is specifically mentioned that decision of the Central Recruitment Committee shall have final and binding in all matters relating to acceptance or rejection of an application as well as eligibility / suitability of the applicant's mode / criteria for selection, and that the Central Recruitment Committee may shortlist the candidate at any stage of recruitment process on the basis of some criteria. Full stop. Clause 6 of both the advertisements reads as under. Full stop. The decision of the Honorable Central Recruitment Committee in all matters relating to acceptance or rejection of an application, eligibility / suitability of the applicants, mode / criteria for selection, etc., shall be final and binding on the applicants. Full stop. The Honorable Central Recruitment Committee may shortlist the candidates at any stage of the recruitment process on the basis of some criteria. Full stop. No inquiry or correspondence shall be entertained in this regard. Full stop. It is a matter of record that the Central Recruitment Committee, in its decision dated 24/11/2021, decided that in view of the large number of applications for the posts in question, it was decided to hold a single joint computer proficiency test, which would be out of 10 marks, and only those candidates who secure 6 marks or more than 6 marks in the said test, shall be considered eligible for appearing for the shorthand typing test, full stop. It is relevant to note at this stage that as per the information supplied, total 19,500 applicants were received, with 11,005 for the posts in the state of Haryana and 8,512 for the posts in the state of Punjab, and 4,916 candidates applying for the posts in the both the states, full stop, over.